Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is calculate the predetermined overhead rate applying overhead to production, reconciling overhead at the end of the year, adjusting cost of goods sold for under and over applied to overhead at the beginning of the year. And company estimated the following overhead: 180,000 direct labor hours, 90,000 and use a normal costing and applies overhead of the basis of truck labor hours for the month of January. Truck labor hours were 8,350 by the end of the year and showed the following actual amount overhead: 186,000 direct labor hours, 89,600. Assume that the unadjusted cost of goods sold for hand was 2,16,000 required. First, calculate the predetermined overhead for hand. Round your answer to the nearest cent if rounding is required. If fill in the blank 1 per direct labor hour. Calculate the overhead applied to production in January. Not round to the nearest dollar if rounding is required. Fill in the blank 2. Third, calculate the total applied overhead of the year. Fill in the blank. Third, was overhead over or under applied by how much overhead. Fill in the blank 5. For calculate adjusted cost of goods sold after adjusting for the overhead variance. Fill in the blank 6. The answer of the question is first. Calculate the predetermined overhead rate. Predetermined overhead rate is overhead over direct labor hours. 180,000 over 90,000 is equal to $2 per direct labor. Second, calculate the overhead applied to production in January. Overhead applied in January is predetermined overhead rate multiplied actual direct labor hours of overhead applied in January 2 multiplied by 8,350 equal to 16,700. Third, calculate the total applied overhead for the year. Total applied overhead is predetermined overhead rate multiplied by actual direct labor where total applied overhead is equal to 2 multiplied by 89,600 equal to 1,79,200. Overhead over applied or under applied over applied overhead equal to total applied overhead minus actual overhead is equal to 1,79,200 minus 1,86,000 equal to minus 6,800. Since the overhead is negative, it means that overhead was over applied by 6,800. For calculate adjusted cost of goods sold after adjusting for the overhead variance. Adjusted COGS unadjusted COGS minus over applied overhead is equal to 2,16,000 minus into minus 6,800 equal to 22,800. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.